Good morning, Woodlynde. How is everybody doing today? Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and I'm reaching out with our first morning assembly of the week. I hope that you're all looking forward to being in Zoom classes beginning today. I'm going to do my best to pop into as many classes as I can, and I look forward to seeing many of you. Last Friday, I joined the lower school sing-along with Mr. Richardson. It was great to see so many lower school students and their families and to enjoy some music together. I also heard that on Friday, the orientations that took place in all three divisions went very well and gave everyone the opportunity to reconnect and get ready for this week. One of my favorite moments from last week was seeing Mr. Coopersmith keeping everyone afloat. We can always count on him for having a positive outlook and a good sense of humor. I also loved seeing Mr. Lawhead's Flipgrid assignment for students on spirit animals and the student response videos, which were so creative and interesting. And now I need to touch on something more serious. Last Friday, in my weekly update, I shared with everyone a reminder of how we all need to behave online. Now, with our distance learning program in place, and with the use of so many different online tools, it is important that more than ever before that students take the time to think about what they are saying and posting online. All of your social interactions with your peers have moved to some form of electronic format. Take a moment and check if what you're about to say or write reflects the person you want to be known as with your teachers and your friends. Is what you're about to share a reflection of your character? This morning, I also want to take a moment to wish all those who will celebrate Passover, which begins tomorrow and Wednesday, and Easter this coming weekend, a wonderful holiday. Both celebrations are of new beginnings and spring, and I hope that you're able to take some time to be with your family and to enjoy time together and the hope for new beginnings around the corner. This week, we have some birthdays to share as well, and I'll end our assembly this morning by celebrating those birthdays with you. We'll start with our teachers, as we have two teachers to celebrate this week. On April 8th, we celebrate with Miss Gigi Wilson, and on April 9th with Miss Pritchard. Happy birthday to both of you. Student birthdays, we begin with April 5th. Beckett in first grade celebrated his birthday. Happy birthday, Beckett. We hope you had a great day. And today we celebrate Duncan in 11th grade. And then on Thursday, April 9th, we celebrate Lachlan in 8th grade. Happy birthday to both of you. I hope you all have a wonderful week. I hope your Zoom classes get off to a great start and that you enjoy seeing each other and your teachers. And I look forward to hopefully seeing many of you in classes as well. Have a great week and have a great day.